Hey guys, and welcome to the short tutorial on removing and replacing your pre-existing knobs and faders on your Traktor S2 and S4. I went ahead and ordered mine from DJ Tech Tools. Awesome product, just as Ian had mentioned. Nice thick gripping knobs and faders, very well put together. Big ups to DJ Tech Tools for the awesome product. A couple of things you might need for the removal of the knobs. Um, if you have available, you might want to use a some sort of a pry tool. Nothing too vigorous. You don't want to damage or scratch your Traktor S2 or S4. I'm fortunate enough to work in the automotive industry as well, so I had something in my toolbox to be able to remove them. But if you don't have anything in that range, just a good old spoon will do the trick. One thing you do want to be careful when removing it. You don't want to scratch it, dent, or damage your S2, S4. Um, okay, for the purpose of the video, I had already somewhat removed the knobs just to expedite the process. If you guys can see, they're a little lifted. When removing them, it is a little bit challenging. They don't remove as easy. I came to find out that the replacement ones are a bit easier to remove than the original ones. Um, they seem to fit a little tighter, but overall, if you carefully maneuver around it, you'll be able to get it out. Okay, so once you have your tool of choice, what you want to do is you want to get underneath the knob. Make sure you're able to access the majority of the knob. What you want to do is slightly push up and pull. Once that is out, you can remove that. Easiest way that I found out to install them was you turn the effects completely to the left in the position that you will see the little black tab, align with it, and firmly press down. Now, for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and slightly removed the knobs so I can expedite the process and try to replace them as quick as possible to make this video as short as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, install them. You can see what color scheme I went with. I chose my effects to be green for both deck A and B. My EQs are gonna be white. My faders will be yellow, and my browsers loops will be blue. So let's get moving so we can see what the final product will look like. Okay, moving along to the faders. Faders are fairly easy to remove. All you got to do is simply pull up and they come off fairly easy. Now, one thing you might want to take in consideration when installing them is try not to apply excessive force when installing them. You could damage your faders if you apply excessive force to them. So try to be as gentle as possible, but make sure they secure as well. So there you have it. Final product. This is the color scheme that I chose. Like I said, my effects, I chose green. EQs with the level, master level, I chose white. Yellow for my deck faders. blue for my loops and browser.